Hey, this is Attorney Adam at Plymouth Dingus back again with another installment to go over how to protect yourself if you're injured, this time a premises liability case. If you were injured in a motor vehicle collision, then you should turn on over to our vlog that talks about collecting evidence from a motor vehicle collision. Now first, what's a premises liability case? If you're injured in a business or on someone else's property, or in some circumstances injured on your own property, it may fall under what's called premises liability. If you're injured in a business, usually they have insurance that will protect them if you're injured on their premises. And if you're injured on someone else's premises, they may have homeowners or renters insurance that may cover a potential claim. But in order to maximize your claim, as always, you need to make sure that you're collecting the evidence that you need to protect yourself. Now, what does this evidence look like in a premises liability type claim? Now, it's very similar to a motor vehicle collision. If you're injured in a business or someone else's property, you should always look around and make sure that you're taking pictures of the scene of the incident before any of it is moved if possible. Now remember, don't put yourself in more harm's way just to collect evidence. But if you're able to take pictures safely, do so before anything is moved. If you're injured in a business, you'll want to reach out to either a safety supervisor or a manager to go ahead and get a safety report started. A report done by a business will help document everything that occurred leading up to it. You should also ask them to save any video that they may have regarding the incident. As you know, most businesses have cameras rolling, but they may not be stored for longer than 24 to 72 hours, so you may miss that window if you don't do it initially. Now, if you're injured on someone else's property, they may not have a safety manager or anyone there that can do a report for you. So it's something that you may want to do on your own, writing down and documenting everything that occurred leading up to your injury. If you're transported from the scene and unable to do this immediately, you should either return back when it's safe to do so or send a family member or friend to that scene to collect the evidence that you would need. Remember, that evidence is pictures, video, and most importantly, if there's any witnesses to it, obtaining statements from those witnesses or at least contact information, whether it be an address, phone number, email, or all of the above. The importance here is always to protect yourself when you're injured in a claim. And premises liability claims are a little bit more difficult to prove than some of your motor vehicle claims. So make sure that you're collecting all of this evidence and you're preparing it for when you speak with an attorney, which I should remind you should do as soon as reasonably possible after any incident. So with this being said, stay safe out there, Ohio, whether on the roads, in a business, someone else's property, or your own.